Mabuhay explorers. Welcome to the Philippines, a tropical paradise of over 7,000 islands, where the people are warm, the beaches are breathtaking, and the food. Oh, the food is full of surprises. You might know the Philippines for adobo, lechon, and halo halo. But today we're diving into something far more daring. The exotic, the unusual, and the deliciously unexpected. These aren't your everyday dishes. They're the kind of eats that spark curiosity, challenge your comfort zone, and reveal the deep, flavorful roots of Filipino culture. So grab your fork, or better yet, your hands, and let's count down the top 10 most exotic foods in the Philippines. 10. Tamilok. Let's start with a dish that isn't a worm at all, but looks like one. Tamilok is a mollusk harvested from mangrove tree bark, eaten raw, and often dipped in vinegar, garlic, and chili. It's slippery, salty, and briny, often described as tasting like oysters with a soft, creamy texture. Popular in Palawan, Tamilok is a true test of foodie bravery, often served as a challenge to tourists, and a delicacy for locals. Betamax. No, not the videotape. This grilled street snack gets its name from the shape. Batamax's congealed chicken blood sliced into rectangular blocks and skewered before grilling. It's smoky, iron-rich, and surprisingly smooth in texture. Served with vinegar dip or a splash of spicy sauce, it's a staple in local street food stalls across Metro Manila. 8. Balut. Perhaps the most iconic exotic food from the Philippines, balut is a fertilized duck egg with a partially developed embryo inside. Cracked open and eaten with salt or vinegar, it's rich, savory, and slightly gamey. Yes, you might see feathers or beak. And yes, it's packed with protein. It's a favorite night snack and often paired with beer. Too many Filipinos, it's comfort food. 2 others, a food dare of legendary status. 7. Kamaru in Pampanga. Often called the culinary capital of the Philippines. You'll find kamaru or deep-fried mole crickets. Crunchy on the outside, juicy on the inside. They're in garlic, vinegar, and soy sauce. Think of them like popcorn with legs packed with protein and surprisingly addictive. Traditionally harvested from rice fields, kamaru is both survival food and a regional delicacy. 6. Dinuguan. Don't let the name chocolate meat fool you. Dinuguan is a savory stew made with pork meat and pig's blood, simmered with garlic, vinegar, and chilies. It's rich, tangy, and thick, best served over fluffy white rice or rice cakes. A staple at Filipino feasts, dinuguan is a bold celebration of using every part of the animal. 5. Supno. 5 yup. You read that right? Supno. 5 is made from bull's testes and penis, slow-cooked with herbs and spices. It's often believed to have aphrodisiac properties and is eaten by men for its supposed stamina-boosting effects. The taste is mild and the broth is beefy, but the texture can be interesting. 4. Papaton. Papaton is a bitter, earthy soup made from goat innards, flavored with bile for its signature taste. Popular in Ilocano cuisine, this dish combines goat liver, tripe, heart, and intestines in a citrusy, peppery broth. It's a challenging dish that rewards the brave with deep, soulful flavor, and it's said to be great after a night of drinking. 3. Adobong uwak. This dish features giant coconut beetle larvae. It's often adobo style with vinegar, soy sauce, and garlic. It's rich, oily, and nutty, considered a delicacy in Quezon and Laguna. Locals say the taste is similar to shrimp or softshell crab. If you can get past the squirmy origin. 2. Piniquican. From the Cordillera Highlands comes piniquican. It's a traditional dish where a live chicken is ritually beaten before cooking, believed to bring better flavor. It's then roasted and simmered with local vegetables like iteg. While controversial, it's a ceremonial dish tied to indigenous rituals and community gatherings. And at number 1. Fried dayak. Dayak is a regional delicacy made from the intestines of fish, fermented in salt and occasionally mixed with bile and spices. Fried dayak is intensely savory and funky, often used as a dipping sauce or side dish with rice. Found mainly in Visayas and Mindanao, it's considered an acquired taste, but deeply rooted in local fishing traditions. But wait, before you go, here are a few fascinating facts about exotic food culture in the Philippines. Many of these dishes stem from the nose-to-tail philosophy. Filipinos believe in respecting the whole animal. Nothing goes to waste. It's a deeply practical and honorable tradition. Filipino exotic foods often combine sourness, saltiness, and umami, reflecting a love for strong, layered flavors, from vinegar-laced broths to fermented pastes. Most of these dishes come from regional kitchens where farming, fishing, and foraging shape the cuisine. What some might call strange is often just smart survival and ancestral wisdom. Balut, Batamax, and dinuguan may seem exotic to outsiders, but they're often considered comfort food to locals, tied to memories, bonding, and celebrations. And yes, the Philippines is one of the world's pioneers in insect-based food innovation, with cricket flour and bug-based snacks gaining mainstream traction. So, which dish would you dare to try or absolutely avoid? Let us know in the comments. Your curiosity helps us pick the next country to explore. And if you loved this flavorful journey through the Philippines' most exotic bites, hit that like button, subscribe for more delicious adventures, and tap the bell so you never miss a taste of the extraordinary. Until next time, Salamat po. Stay curious, stay hungry, and keep exploring the flavors that make the world wonderfully weird.